Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CAD Tutorials for Beginners to Advanced. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the offset and thicken command in Creo Parametric Sketcher. So let's create a new model here, and again I will keep the details here as it is. Just click OK. So now we are in the model, and just select the sketch here to create a sketch. So just select any of the face. Maybe I will select the orientation as right only, and then click on the sketch. So now we are in the sketcher mode, and here we can see the options, that is offset and thicken. So let's create a simple geometry to understand this. Let me create one geometry here. I will use the rectangle. So let's use the corner rectangle. And I will just delete this edge here, and let's provide some realistic dimension, or maybe not this much. This is 1000, and then this is 500, and this is again, I don't want to provide this dimension actually here, so just leave it. Okay, or maybe we can just make this as a coincidence. Let's select this line and select this, just to have an idea. And then we'll use the fillet here. Just select a circular fillet. Similarly, select the circular fillet here, and then provide the dimension, let's say 100, and here as well 100. So we have this profile with us now, and we can simply use the offset and thicken commands here. Okay, so let's see the offset first. So once you click on the offset, you will see this select offset edge. So there are three types basically. The first one is single, chain, and loop. So single is nothing but if you want to offset only one line here, then we can use single. So just select the line here, and then specify the offset in the direction of this arrow. So let's try 25. So now you can see this line is offsetted by 25. And then again, if you want to add or offset the line on the other direction, then you can simply again select the line, just escape, and then again select this line, and then keep this as a single only. But instead of providing in a positive, just provide it negative, so minus 25. So now you can see the line offsetted by in the 25 in the opposite direction. So this is the single offset edge. Then let's say if you want to use a chain, then with the help of chain, what we can do is we need to provide some of the portion of the profile. Till that portion it will get offsetted. So let's select the first edge, and then I will use this corner, or maybe the fillet area, that is arc area, and then provide the dimension. I will offset it in the opposite direction, so that's why I'm putting it as a minus. And then let's add 50, and then enter. Now you can see the offsetted edge is the profile is offsetted till this fillet. Now let's say if you want to use a loop, then just select one of the edge here, and it will completely offset. Complete profile will be offsetted. So let's again add minus, and then add 100. So you can see the complete profile is offsetted by 100. So this is the difference between these three options: single, chain, and loop offset. So this is very useful command, and which we generally use in our day-to-day modeling. Just close this. So this is all about offset command. So let's discuss about, I will just undo this. So now let's discuss about the thicken one. So thicken is again similar to the offset one, only we are offsetting some thickened part here. So just use a thicken. Now you can see we need to select the thicken edge, that is single chain loop, again the similar to the offset one, and then end caps. So we can provide a different end caps like open, flat and circular. So let's start with the open one first, and then we'll see the single type. So select the edge here, and then simply we need to provide the thickness. So first, if you see the message, enter thickness. So let's add 10 mm thickness, then enter, and then again it will ask for the direction. So I will add on the opposite direction, so that's why I will put as minus, and then I will add -20, -50, and then again enter. So you can see this profile is this line is offsetted by 40, and which is having thickness of 10, and the end caps are open. So if you see these two edges are open, so this is the open one. So similarly we can try for the chain loop. So maybe let's try with a chain, and we'll use a flat one. Okay, so you can just play around these different options. So I will try with a chain and flat now. So for chain, as we discussed in offset, we need to select the specific area of the profile, and then in that area that profile will get offsetted. So similarly I will select this and hold the control, select this chamfer, and then enter the thickness. So let's enter 20 again, enter, and again I will add on the opposite direction. So let's add 100, -100, and now you can see the profile is offsetted till this chamfer. And if you see here, the ends are flat one. These are the close and the flat one. So this is the difference between this flat and the last one is that is the circular one. So again let's use a chain one only. So here I will select this edge, and again pressing the control, just select this arc again, and here I will try just enter the thickness as 20 again, and then let's use as -200. So I'm just using the minus sign because I want to offset it on the opposite direction of this arrow. If you see the arrow, if you provide a dimension in the positive direction, then only it is getting offsetted in the same direction of the arrow. Otherwise, if you provide a minus, then it will offset the profile on the opposite direction. So just enter after it, and you can see the profile is offsetted on the opposite direction. And if you see the end caps are circular. So the end caps are circular for this profile. Even if you see here, this will be the circular one, and earlier we had selected the flat one. Now let's try the last one, that is the loop and circular we will try. So again for that just select the profile here, and then for the loop one we can select only maybe one profile out of it, and it will propagate all the complete profile whole, but provided there should be a fillet provided between the profiles, different profiles. So again enter the thickness. So again I will add 20, and then the direction of arrow, again I want to provide in the opposite direction. So let's say 300, -300, and then click enter. So you can see this is again a circular one, and the complete profile is propagated and offsetted by 300 mm offset. So this is the difference between offset and thicken. So for offset, we are just offsetting the edge here, and we are not providing any thickness to it. And in thickness, we are offsetting as well as providing the thickness to that particular profile. And here are different options. For the thicken edge, we can select the single, chain or loop, and end caps are different, like open, flat and circular. So that's it for this session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please do subscribe and follow our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.